I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 44. An improvement in a country's terms of trade means that A. Nations can export more services. B. Nation receipt on export is equal payment on import. C. Value on her export is lower than her import. D. Visible export is lower than visible import. So the concept we are looking at here is terms of trade. The terms of trade of a country, and the terms of trade of a country is the ratio of an index of a country's export prices to an index of the same country's import prices. So this is the definition of terms of trade, or the terms of trade of a country. Now, for improvements, when the terms of trade in a country improves, it means that for every unit of exports sold, that country can buy more units of imported goods. So it means that for every unit of export sold by the country will make enough profit such that it can buy many more units of important goods. So option D, which is visible export is lower than visible import, is D. So D is the correct answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.